Ari.
Selfies! 4, 2, 8.
In just a minute,
What are you doing, Betty girl?
Zoe presents the governor of the Listener Limerick Challenge, Gina Raimondo. If you'd like to play, give us a call at 1-888-WAIT-WAIT. That's 1-888-924-8924. Right now, panel, some more questions for you.
Get your pretties.
Peter, first, well, you live there, you know this. Rich New Yorkers demanded doormen. Then they wanted high-end fitness centers and special side entrances in their buildings for the poors.
Yes.
Now, the latest trend among the city's upper crust is new apartment buildings that include luxury what?
Luxury, in-house Russian mail-order bride agencies. In-house, is it like culinary? Is it lifestyle?
It's lifestyle. It's lifestyle. Parents.
Oh, like in-house, nannies?
No.
Oh my gosh, in-house like wet nurses?
No.
On the record, no. I thought he knew what it was.
It's for parents.